क्या हुआ? Why you upset?
Because Alexa does not know me.
Alexa is not recognizing your voice. That has
Yes.
upset you.
Yes.
Why is that upsetting to you?
It's just... It's just like I'm not even there.
Oh, but I recognize you. I recognize your voice. You can ask me questions. You can ask me things.
Mommy,
Hmm.
first Alexa did not talk to me because she is not working, and now she does not even know me.
Okay, I think Alexa has dementia.
What does that mean?
I think she's not well.
What?
Yes, I think when you grow up a bit, then she'll recognize your voice. Also, she'll be better by then.
Like, mommy,
Hmm.
when I grow up 8 years old or 7 years old,
Hmm.
then will Alexa know me?
Yes. No, I think when you will be beyond 10 years, you will be more than 10 years old, then she will know you. I think she's not allowed to know children
Why?
because children are supposed to talk to their parents, not to machines.
But then why do you talk to her? Then why do you not talk to Alexa?
I don't need to talk to Alexa. I need to talk to you. Why should I talk to Alexa? I have my pretty little baby to talk to.
Mommy, did you order Alexa?
No, your dad did. So that we could play songs, not because you could talk to her all the time.
Mommy,
Hmm.
whenever Alexa did not know me, then it also feels like that a ghost is talking.
How? How so? You feel like the ghost, or you feel Alexa is the ghost?
When Alexa does not know me, then it feel like that I'm a ghost and she can't even see
Oh
me.
my god, you feel invisible because she's not hearing you. Oh my god, that's so deep. Come
Okay,
here.
wait. Let me try to walk through. Oh, yes. Okay, that means I'm not invisible. Why did she?
You were trying to walk through the wall to see if you're actually invisible.
Yes.
That was a door. No, you're not invisible. Okay, tell me one thing. Whenever you say something to Didi or to Papa or to Nanu or to Mummy, do we make you feel invisible or do we respond to you?
Respond.
Yes. So, if a machine which is probably not even working right is not listening to you, how is that making you invisible? Her opinion, her working does not matter. It's a machine, it's replaceable.
Okay.
Human contact matters, machine doesn't. Okay?
My full eye was coming inside.
And
Yes.
we are always available for you, always responding, always attentive. We always want to talk to you. So, talk to us.
Okay, but mommy,
Hmm.
when I grow up 10 years old, then
Hmm.
I'll talk like grown-ups.
Does Didi talk like a grown up?
Yes,
No, Didi does not talk like a grown up.
but she talks to you like a grown-up.
No, she doesn't. She talks to me like a kid. And so will you. Why is it important not to talk like a grown up? Because you think that Alexa will forget that once you were a baby and you were trying to talk to her and you waited so many years to talk to her. Why is Alexa that important that she recognizes you? Why is it so important for you?
Because I just love Alexa and you equally. But I also
What? Did that happen? You love me and Alexa equally.
yes.
Oh my god.
But I wish I had a pink Alexa.
Pink Alexa. Wait a minute. No. Let us trace back. Wait a minute. पहले मैं इस सदमे से तो उभर जाऊं. Let me just hear this again. You love me and Alexa equally.
Yes.
Boo! Boo! I am replaced by you. I am equal to a machine who can't even walk, who doesn't even have a face, who can't even hug you and love you and feed you and play with you and crack jokes with you. Oh my god.
I also love talking
Is
to
this
Alexa.
the end of humanity that everybody is talking about? Alexa can't even see your light shoes. I can.
and she can't even see.
Why did you say you love me and Alexa equally? Do you want me to throw her out of the house?
No.
Yes. I would. You know I would.
Why?
Why did you say you love me and Alexa equally? Alexa is a machine. Pihu, learn the
Because
difference.
I have to talk with her.
Yes, but machines are not humans. They don't have emotions. You can't tie your emotions to them, cannot expect emotions from them. They're there to help you. To play songs
What
for
are
you, to
about
find things
you
for
said
you.
dead?
What? They are there for you. I said they are there. They are there for you to help you.
For what?
For playing songs, for making lists, to help you organize things, and to tell you when you don't know what is 2 plus 2.
Everyone knows what 2 plus 2.
When you were 4 years old, you didn't know.
What? What I mean? Then I thought 2 plus 2 was 3.
You thought 2 plus 2 is 2 ducks dancing together. Can Alexa make you laugh like that?
Yes.
What? 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 Pihu.
Yes, because she's making a silly cockroach noise. I mean a silly monkey noise.
Even I can make a silly monkey noise.
Okay,
Ask me.
Show me. You can.
Ask me, what does a monkey sound like?
I don't know.
Ask me. Ask me, Mummy, what does a monkey sound like?
I don't know anything.
I said, why don't you ask me? I will also tell you like Alexa tells.
Okay, but it should be silly. And
Leave my specs. Don't wear my specs, that's not good for you.
Oh, मैं बूढ़ा अंकल बाय बेटे बाय बेटे अब मैं यहाँ पे हूँ ओ मेरे बंदर टूट गए मेरे बंदर टूट गए
Natanki. Now you're a cat all of a sudden. I love my kitty kitten. That's my kitty kitten, kitty kitten, kitty kitten. Don't hiss at me. Don't hiss at me.